That's very good. Pull towards you, pull the radar towards you. Hold it there, hold it there, hold it. Now put it towards you and hold it there. Then when you're pointing back at whoever was your instructor, then you put it in the middle. Put it towards you, put it towards you, put it towards you. Keep it there, keep it there, keep it there. Straighten.